students, welcome to virtual class of Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai Education Department. I am Mrs. Akshata Kale and today we will learn English. Okay, now let us move to the lesson. Morning children, welcome to virtual class. I hope you all are doing well. I am Akshata Kale and today we are going to learn the English first poem, that is What a Bird Thought. Yes students, this is a first poem in your English textbook. See this, What a Bird Thought. This poem is on page number 1. The poem has 4 stanzas. What is the meaning of stanza? Do you know? Stanza means how we say paragraph in lessons, like that. Stanzas are there in the poems. Okay, now here we can see 4 stanzas and each stanza has 4 lines. Means altogether there are 16 lines. Here the poem describes the thought of a bird and it also tells us that how the thought changes according to the time and period. Now we will go in detail. Okay. What a Bird Thought is the title of this poem. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. Once again we will read. I lived first in a little house and lived there very well. The world to me was small and round and made of pale blue shell. Yes, here the bird says that it first lived very nicely in a little house, which was small, round and made of pale blue shell. Means that is inside the egg. You know that bird lays the eggs and chick grow inside the eggshell, and when it fully grows, it breaks the eggshell and emerges out. Now the bird is inside the egg, so it thinks that his world is nothing but a small, round and pale blue shell. Yes, dear students, here we can see some rhyming words. Each stanza has rhyming pairs. You have to find out that one. Rhyming words are nothing but same sounding words. They sound same. For example, we will see here in the second line, see the last word well. And the rhyming pair for this well is on the 4th line. That is the last word shell. Yes. Can you find this? They sound same. Well, shell. Well, shell. Okay. Now you have to search rhyming words from each stanza. Shall we move to the next stanza? I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. I lived next in a little nest, nor needed any other. I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother. See, the bird's thought changes a little. The bird next lived in a small nest, quite happy in it and not needed another one. Got this? The next two lines, I thought the world was made of straw and covered by my mother, means it thought the world was made of the straw surrounding it. It was covered by the body of its mother. See, straw. Straw means the dry grass. The nest is made up of straw. He thought that the world is made up of straw because the bird saw the straw all the sides. Earlier it thought that pale blue shell was its world. Now it thought that the straw is its world and it is covered with the mother. Yes, dear students, you know that the mother bird feeds the babies and it takes care of their babies until they grow up and they fly. Yes, now we will move to the rhyming pairs. I will give you 30 seconds. Please find out the rhyming pair from this stanza. Yes, got? Here the second line, last word other. This rhymes with mother. Other, mother. Okay? Move to the next one. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. Once again we will read. One day I fluttered from the nest to see what I could find. I said, the world is made of leaves. I have been very blind. Here, one day, says the bird, it flew unsteadily out of the nest to see what it could find. It thought that it had been blind earlier, for now it realized that the world was made of leaves. See students, here one day the bird came out of its nest and it saw so many leaves, green leaves. It became very happy and it said, I was very blind. Yes, now the world for the bird is the leaves. Right? Earlier it was eggshell, then it changes to the nest and mother. Now the third house, that is leaves, green leaves. Okay? See, the thought is changing according to the time and the period. Now students, now we will find out the rhyming pairs. Yes, again in the second line, last word, find. Find rhymes with the word blind. Find, blind. Okay, now we will move to the, that is the fourth one. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now how the world is really made? I cannot tell. Can you? Once again. At last I flew beyond the tree and saw the sky so blue. Now, how the world is really made, I cannot tell. Can you? It asks us the question. Here, it then flew beyond the tree and saw the blue sky. It began to wonder how the world was really made. It did not know. It asked if the reader knows, means it asks whether you know how the world is. Yes, students, at last it flew beyond the tree. It flew in the sky, blue sky. It saw the blue sky, it saw the rivers. It enjoyed the nature. It saw the beauty of the nature. And it wondered. And it is asking us, I don't know how the world really is made. Do you know? It asks us. Yes, so beautiful poem. Now students, here also we have to find out the rhyming pairs. Now we can see here blue. It rhymes with you. Blue, you. See the sound. Okay, this is all about the poem What a Bird Thought. Now students, here in the exercise it is asked, imagine the following and write in your own words. The first one is what the world looks like to a baby. Here students, now you are studying in standard 5th. In your house or in your neighborhood, you will find a baby and imagine what it thinks about the world. Yes, I will show you some of the pictures. The babies and the child is in different stage. See this. You can observe these pictures and you can write the thought of the baby in your own words. See in the first picture, it is very small. I think it is below 1 year. For it, the world is nothing but its mother and that cradle. Right? In the second picture, maybe its world or its room, ceiling fan, walls, its mother, its father, okay, its family. And in the third picture, here we can say his world may be a toys and some other things like pets, if it is there in the house, right? In the last picture, we can say he visited the garden. We can see here, he visited the garden. So his world, maybe the garden and the rides. Okay, like this the thought changes. Thought of the world changes. Okay, you have to frame the sentences and you have to write about this. Last one is what the world looks like to a fish. See here, I have shown you a picture. Here you can see a fish inside the water. To a fish, the world is only water and water everywhere. Its world also has the other fishes. Some are bigger and some are smaller, right? And its world contains water plants too. Right, like this you have to frame small sentences and you can write it in your own words. Thank you students for being a part of my lecture. Take care and have a good day.
Thank you very much for being a part of this lesson. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get the new updated videos.